guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and in today's video I have created this gorgeous look which is just perfect for festivals and family weddings. This is a full coverage glam makeup look. I know that it looks like there's a lot going on with my eyes, but trust me guys, the eye makeup is quite simple. In case you want to tone down the makeup, you can wear a black liner instead of gold and go for a nude lip shade. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and also press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you are new here, let me tell you that I come up with new makeup tutorials every week. Without any further ado, let's dig right in. Let's start off with the primer, and for that I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. It's a pore filling primer and it smoothens out the texture for the upcoming makeup. Also, it is quite affordable, so if you are a beginner and looking for a primer, then you should definitely check this out. For foundation today, I'm using Forever 52 foundation. I'm going for a full coverage glam and that's why I chose this foundation. I'm mixing it with a facial oil and buffing it all over my face. Now I'm using the concealer over my eyes as an eyeshadow base. The eyeshadow palette which I'm gonna use today is Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. Then I'm gonna dip my large blending brush into that beige color and apply it on my transition line. Next, I'm taking this green shade and applying over my eyes under the transition line. Basically, I'm filling in the entire semicircle formed between the transition line and the lash line. I'm building the intensity gradually and also blending the green with the transition shade. We are trying to create a smooth, beautiful gradient from beige to green and finally into an intense dark green. Moving to the base, I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define to conceal my under eyes. I'm using the shade which is quite similar to my skin shade. And this is a beautiful concealer and it cancels out my dark circles. Then I'm going to use a lighter concealer. I'll use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as a highlighting concealer to brighten my T-zone. To set everything, I'm using Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and dabbing it under my eyes with the damp beauty blender. Then I'm gonna powder the rest of my face, also dusting off the excess I deposited under my eyes. Going back to the eyes, I will be doing my brows first, and for that I'm using a Wet n Wild eyebrow definer. I always do my brows in the direction of hair growth and brush the hair with the help of a spoolie after I'm done filling them in. At this step, you can go for a black eyeliner too, but I thought applying a gold glitter eyeliner will give it a nice desi touch. Then I'm applying a black kajal in my waterline. I feel any Indian glam look is incomplete without a kajal. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the same green and beige shade from the same palette and smoke out with the black. After this, I'm applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And for that, I'm using NYX Worth the Hype Mascara. I also popped on a pair of falsies on my top lashes. It instantly amps up the look to another level. Then I'm taking that beautiful gold shade from the palette and applying it on my brow bone and the inner corners. back to the face, I will be contouring my face at my usual areas. Starting off with the hollows of my cheeks, jawline and finally to my nose. For nose contouring, I am taking a small eye brush for more control. Then I am using a big brush and I am blending out everything. For the blush, I am using Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush and applying it on my cheeks. This one has a slight sheen to it, so it is perfect for Indian looks. For my lipstick, I am using this beautiful rusty pink shade from Sugar and a similar colored lip liner. First, I am gonna line my lips and then fill in with the lipstick. For my highlighter, I am going with Master Chrome from Maybelline. This is a rose gold highlighter and golden highlighters complement Indian skin tone really well. To finish off the look, I am spreading the Micro Finish Makeup Fixer from PAC over my face and letting it air dry. That's a wrap for today. I hope you learned something new from today's video, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also leave your makeup suggestions in the bottom bar. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.